Bullish mirror convention cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 64 cents and $1.22 by 2030. Market experts accept mirror could reach 50 cents by 2025. Bearish mirror convention market cost expectation for 2023 is 11 cents. Reflect convention presentation. With regards to battling opportunity imbalance in the monetary space, mirror convention is a creative and possibly progressive task that could open a universe of chance. Assuming that you're keen on finding out about the cost of mirror convention, look no further. In this article, we have summed up our point-by-point mirror convention cost forecasts, from mirror convention value today to least cost, normal cost, greatest cost, normal exchanging cost, market cap, current cost, and then some. We likewise answer a definitive inquiry: is mirror convention a wise venture for what's in store? How about we find out? What is mirror convention? Reflect convention is a local area-driven, decentralized blockchain convention worked by Terraform Labs. The undertaking was made with the expect to give fresher ways of getting to back and exchanging choices and tackle the developing imbalance issue, the cryptographic money market. The convention empowers the formation of manufactured resources that can follow the cost of genuine crypto coins. The convention enables merchants to exchange values in a place, whenever, every minute of every day. It can do this by stamping manufactured resources, likewise called mirror resources or M-assets. These resources are controlled by brilliant agreements and run on the land organization. The resources are intended to reflect the value conduct of the hidden genuine resources they address, permitting merchants to get boundless cost openness. The M-assets carry a plenty of benefits to the mirror convention organization. They dispose of the requirement for go-between strategies and give worldwide openness to any individual who wishes to exchange. Regardless of whether dealers own the basic resource, mirror assists them with partaking in cost hypothesis or direct speculation with next to no limitation. How does Mirror Coin respond? The Mirror Coin has two essential elements, with convention administration being a significant one. The tokens assume an essential part in the framework and can be utilized to make spending recommendations against the on-chain local area pool and furthermore to modify boundaries like position free and exchanging expense rate. One more capability of the token is to catch CDP terminations. At the point when a mirror CDP is shut, an expense of 1.5% is taken, which is then used to purchase mirror tokens and paid to people marking mirror. Reflect convention specialized examination. While the functions of this intriguing DeFi project are surely complicated, Mirror Conventions Group has figured out how to make a stage that is certainly worth the difficult work. The manufactured resources Mirror offers are really strong, and the whole biological system is built for critical development, having gotten the eyes of significant financial backers in the digital money market. Dealers in the present crypto market who have little confidence in Money Road and significant organizations in our monetary framework can track down a magnificent option in Mirror Convention. As the stage fills from now on, the scope of resources accessible will likewise increment, and almost certainly, the cost of Mirror Convention could arrive at an unsurpassed high soon. For dealers hoping to make a venture, the Mirror Coin is a significant token to keep an eye out for from here on out. Reflect Convention current cost. Reflect Convention is at present worth 14 cents USD. Mirror has moved 1.11% as of now with an exchanging volume of $8,689,319. Reflect Convention is right now positioned 715 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $12,206,147 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling to similarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Mirror Convention to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Mirror Convention market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Reflect Convention value expectation 2023 Mirror Convention, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Mirror cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 21 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 20 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Mirror is supposed to have a base worth of 17 cents. Reflect Convention value expectation 2024. In 2024, Mirror Convention Mirror cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of MIR will before long outperform 35 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the MIR's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, MIR will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 28 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 31 cents. Reflect convention value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 50 cents and MIR might benefit, on the off chance that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. MIR is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 45 cents and a low of 42 cents in 2025. Reflect convention value expectation 2026. Assuming MIR convention effectively helps market opinion among digital currency fans, the MIR coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, MIR will be green in 2026. The MIR is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 64 cents, with a base cost of 57 cents and a typical cost of 60 cents. Reflect convention value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the MIR cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 74 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 71 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, MIR has a most extreme value worth of 78 cents. Reflect convention value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 88 cents. In the event that MIR figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 93 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help MIR needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 85 cents. Reflect convention value forecast 2029. While MIR is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1 and a yearly cost close above $1.07 in 2029. Reflect convention value expectation 2030. By 2030, MIR convention will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.15 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.22, averaging out at $1.17. Reflect convention value forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Bitcoin wisdom makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest MIR cost in 2031 is projected to be $1.40 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.35. And, generally, MIR convention is an exploring stage, opening up new open doors for its clients while likewise tending to the key imbalance issue in monetary open doors. The stage permits people in less mechanically evolved districts to access and benefit off monetary